On today's edition of Vintage Stuff, we have another Gulf Coast Dixie Belle. This Dixie Belle is from December of 1985. This is now the earliest Dixie Belle in my collection. This one has a 5-light kit on it with the 3-way setting. See? And then I got the 5th globe right there. One of the original globes shattered, so I put a different one on. And let's start it up. Here's low. This fan is quite slow for how small it is. But, you know, that's not a big deal. It's still a really cool fan to have in my collection. Alright, we're going to go to medium now. This fan does a good job, even though it's not very, even though it's more like a 52-inch low and medium speed. It still does pretty good, because you know it's a Dixie Belle. And high. It still goes quite fast on high though, definitely. Here it is high with the light on. It does wobble a little bit, and I'll shut it off. And there you go, that is my 42-inch Gulf Coast Dixie Belle. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for more videos. And then here are my other two Dixie Belles that I have right here. Both of these Dixie Belles are from 1987. And I got my Rushnickel Harbor East Bellhaven right there. That's not the one from my great aunt's house, though. That one is still there, installed. So, yeah, that's it.